I'm a young, since I was young. Get your bread up, I ain't playing with you crumbs. I'm a
What up? Morning, good afternoon, and good night, whichever time of day it is. I really didn't have any plans to shoot today, but since it's Monday, my Sunday, well, I don't know, whatever. I'm uploading a video right now, last video, and last night, Sunday, I was able to wax my car. I haven't done that in a couple months. I usually do that 2 to 3 times a year, and it's usually I'll either do it in the spring or the fall, or summer and fall, or whatever, I don't know, definitely before winter. And it turned out great. I didn't get to finish detailing the whole car. I didn't get to vacuum, I didn't get to wipe down the interior, but you know, the exterior is done for the most part. I didn't put any wheel wax on, but I don't know, I'm constantly cleaning the wheels anyway, so I figured another day would be okay. But today, Robert's coming over. We're gonna finally do his gauges and see what's going on, making sure there's nothing blown. Hopefully all 3 gauges work, because those gauges are vital. I think they're vital, but who knows? This is my opinion. This guy, what are you doing? Oh, he loves bottle caps. If I had one, throw it and he'll just go chasing right after it. Okay, let me finish this and then head to the garage. Then I'll show you the wax job I did.
Cause I'm on my young shit.
It smells like watermelon in here. It has some gum, right? Okay, yeah, I'll pull it out so you can see it in the daylight. What the hell? I put my keys. What the deuce? Oh no. Oh no. I think I lost my keys.
I'm on my young shit. You ain't a young, pockets are young, you haven't done shit. But fuck all that young shit. Fuck all that young shit. I'm young. I've been a young, they used to hands on pouring me rum, poet. Walk in a room.
Okay, so yeah. I tried to do the hood, but the hood is too oxidized, so I don't bother. Man, there's a lot of kids here. I don't want to film in front of these kids. They're gonna be like, "Can I get you on Snapchat?" Like, no, man. The hell is a Snapchat? Get out of here. I'll pick this up later. It is hot, super hot. I have no AC, and the windows don't really work, and I don't want to put the top down, because then the sun's just gonna be burning my head. Ooh, where's my glasses? Alright, gonna go and meet Robert at my place so we could go see what's up with his gauges and hopefully have him running by the end of the day. Oh, okay. This guy was already waiting for me. What is that?
The FastKey. This is the OEM one. Let's go. Yeah, man.
Okay.
I lost my key, man.
What?
To the car.
No, yeah, this is my Royal Clover key. I don't know where to put it.
Oh.
No, this one I've been using.
You talking about that silver one with the freaking, like, with the purple in it?
Yeah.
You've been using that?
Yeah.
Since when?
Forever.
Yeah, I've always had it.
No, because like, you always used to use that old one. The one that looks like what's it called? The Kingdom key.
I don't know, I just gotta look for it. Shame. Yeah, man. You gonna get this replaced?
What?
Your windshield?
Yeah, eventually. Leave me alone about that, alright? Looked like one snapped in, but the other one didn't.
You mean seated?
You see that?
Oh, what the hell? I didn't know that was a thing. I mean, as long as it's not going anywhere, right? Where's the old one?
Over here.
Oh. I don't know. That shit's a little loose, man.
I know.
Why is that?
I think I'm gonna flip it up, flip the other way.
Yeah.
Here's the old one.
Oh.
Oh no.
Maybe it's the clip.
No, because the clip goes right in.
Maybe you could put the clip onto the key before you put it onto that thing.
Oh, that's why it's not on blades. No, because it's always been this loose.
Oh.
Even with that. It's just because it's just the key inside.
Oh. I don't know.
Oh my god. Nah. Didn't you take this out too?
You can. Just pull it. Let me get a screwdriver.
Yeah. I
You
got.
pull it out?
No, I gotta see where everything
Yeah,
goes.
that's the reason why I said I didn't want to play, because all those wires inside of it, I didn't know where what was what.
Yeah. All right. Let me put this. No, you should have spares in here anyway. Maybe like 2 or 3.
Yeah.
So we found out the fuses are blown. I'm just gonna replace them and hook them back up. Pretty sure that'll work. Let me go see if I have any. If I don't, I should have some in the car.
At my house.
Oh yeah.
Function over forum, man. Don't worry, let it work.
Yeah. I don't know.
So you don't know, man. I'd rather ride those than
Yeah.
But it looks like you need new tires anyway, so you might as well go for the new.
Can you disconnect your battery?
Oh.
Go in the trunk. If I have anything.
What is that?
Before I go shooting.
Oh.
It shows up a different color when you shoot it in the face.
Oh, that's cool.
Try it. Oh, there's one.
Yeah, both of them
Two.
works. Boost gauge still don't
I
work.
told you. That boost gauge.
All right, I gotta trace that wire then, because I don't know where that goes to. Down here. All right, so we was able to fix 2 of the gauges, which was basically just a fuse, because I know my wiring doesn't suck. But we think the boost gauge shorted out, whatever they did at the dealership. I was just gonna leave that. He's gonna replace it. Ask for a replacement since they have a lifetime warranty on it. And I need to tape that up so it doesn't touch anything and short out. But the dash cam worked. 2 out of 3 gauges worked. I say that's still good. And I didn't have to rewire anything, so it's good to go. Yeah, and then if the next one he gets doesn't work longer than a week, he's probably just gonna give it a true boost from AEM, because that's what I wanted to get. If that's the case, you might as well get the new Greddy ones. Because
That'd be nice.
the new Greddys are holographic now.
For real?
Yeah, it's just a piece of glass.
Yeah, it's a piece of glass, yeah.
Cause that shit was nice. I was like, damn. But you know, my car's not fast yet, so I'm not gonna get it.
I know, your shit ain't that fast yet.
Or not fast at all. Ever since I seen that RGB light, I want to get one too.
Oh,
Yeah. Yesterday, no, not yesterday, but a couple days ago, we went over to Timmy's, and it was all like, I thought you had HIDs. Like, no. The reason why I don't have HIDs is because, like, every time a tuner sees HIDs in the rear view, they think it's a
razor.
it's a tuner. So the reason why I put,
have to do that shit later.
so the reason why I did incandescents is, as soon as I pass by them, they'd be like, oh shit, element surprise.
Etch the Mitsubishi symbol inside of them.
Oh, why don't you put Robert on it?
Cause I'm not that f***ing lame.
Yeah. Okay. What up? What up? So, pretty much it for the video. I know it was a quick video. Didn't really do anything but switch out the fuses, but we got the 2 gauges to work, which is good enough. He's gonna go through, you know, warranty and see if we get a replacement. If the 3rd one doesn't work, then he's just gonna go ahead and get a true boost, which is like 3 times as much, but it'd be worth it. Yeah, I couldn't show the car. I didn't have time. Well, I had time, I just didn't think about it when I was down there. But I still need to detail the interior and wax the wheels. Probably not gonna do that. It is currently 4:30, so I'm gonna get something to eat, make some lunch, probably watch a movie. Gotta redeem these comics and feed this little crackhead. And this week, hopefully I get some footage with Jason if we decide to go do anything on Friday. I'll see you guys in the next one.
Society. I was young. Get your bread up, I ain't playing with your crumbs. I'm a stunt, cause I'm young. I'm on my young shit. I'm on my young shit. You ain't a young, pockets are young, you haven't done shit. But fuck all that young shit. Fuck all that young shit. I'm young shit.
형들